Hello everyone. In this video I will show you that how can you lock apps in iPhone without using any third-party application. So first of all you have to do is open shortcuts application on your iPhone. If you don't have this application you can download it from App Store. Here is this application. Let's open it, and now you have to click on automation on the bottom of the screen. Now click on create personal automation. Here you have to scroll down and find app. Here is app, click on it. Now you have to choose app which you want to lock. You can choose multiple apps, more than one or one. After choosing the applications you want to lock, then click on done. Here make sure that is opened is selected, otherwise it will not work. After that click on next. Now you have to add an action by clicking here. Now search for timer. Here you will get start timer, select this. Now click on minutes written in blue, select it 2 seconds, and now click here and type 1 second here and then click on done. Now all you have to do is click on next, and then make sure that ask before running, this option is turned off. Click on don't ask, and now this option is turned off. This notify when run is also should be turned off. After that click on done. One more step you have to do is just open clock app on your iPhone, and now click on timer on the bottom right corner. Here you have to do is click on when timer ends and scroll it to last and select stop playing. Then click on set, and now you are all set. Your app lock is working. Let's open the application. I locked the calculator, and if I open it, then you can see it is locked, and I have to use my Face ID or Touch ID or passcode to unlock it. If you want to unlock it, all you have to do is just go to shortcuts again, click on your automation. If you want to unlock any app, then click on when and then click on app, and now you can unselect the application you want to unlock, or you can do is just delete the automation by swiping to left, and this automation is deleted, and now all the apps you locked is unlocked. So this is how you can lock and unlock applications on your iPhone without using any third-party application. Thank you everyone.